First of all, as you see the equations given, we see that these are really large numbers. But we also see that everything can be simplified to a smaller integers. So 1001 c minus 2002 a is equal to 4004. And as you see here, we can divide by 1001. So that would leave c minus 2a is equal to 4. And these are integers that we can work with. They're much smaller and we don't have any trouble operating on them. And we can do the same for the other equation. So 1001b plus 3003a is equal to 5005. And we can divide by 1001 again. So it's b plus 3a, which is equal to 5. So we have these two equations right here. C minus 2a is equal to 4. B plus 3a is equal to 5. So we need to find the average of a, b, and c. So as you see here, b and c can be written as a form of a. So c, we can move 2a over. So c is equal to 2a plus 4. And b is equal to negative 3a plus 5. And as you see here, we can just add to find the average of the three of a, b, and c. We know that it's just adding a plus b plus c over 3. That's how you find the average. And if we have b and c written as a form of a, it'll make our lives much simpler to find the average. And then we don't have to worry about multiple variables. We can just worry about one variable. And as you see here, and as you see in the future, it will actually help a lot. So we have a, and that's just a, plus b, which can be also written as negative 3 plus 5, negative 3a plus 5. So negative 3a plus 5. And we have c, which is 2a plus 4. And then we have to divide by 3 because we're going to find the average or mean. And as you see here, we're just rewriting it as a form of a plus b plus c divided by 3, which is how you find the average of those three integers. And as you see here, a's cross out. So we can simplify this. A plus 2a plus 4 minus 3a plus 5. 3a minus 3a and 3a crossed out. So we're left with 4 plus 5, which is 9 over 3. So we know that the average of those three integers, a, b, and c, is 3. But wait, there's more. Well, we can, in this equation, since it's not too complicated, we can find the average a different way. And this usually doesn't work. However, it could also work. So we can set a as a number, as an integer. And if we set a as an integer, we can find the other two integers as well. So if a is 1, that means c is equal to c minus 2. So we're just setting a as 1. C minus 2 is equal to 4. And then c is equal to 6. And then we can also plug a is 1 into b plus 3a plus 5. So we have b plus 3, which is equal to 5. B is equal to 2. And using that, we know that this works because, thinking about it pretty logically, if we plug in a variable, an integer for a, we can find the integers correspondent to b and c. So whatever A is, B and C is dependent on the answer on the variable of A. And so we have C is equal to 6, B is equal to 2, and A is equal to 1. So we add 1 plus 6 plus 2, again, to find the average, which is A plus B plus C divided by 3. That's how you find the average of the three numbers. And we also get 9. And we know this works because you can, again, we explained it logically, but you can also set A as different numbers. Supposedly A as -1, and you'll see it works as well. If A is -1, then you could plug it in, and you'll find that C is 2. C is, 2. And B is 8. So this, again, A plus B plus C is equal to 9, and we divide by 3, which is 3. So we know for sure using two ways to check our answer. So the answer is B.